Everyone, welcome to Play Hooky with me. My name is Roz, and in today's video I want to share how to do standing stitches in crochet. So what is a standing stitch? It's a stitch that's used at the beginning of a new round or row when you're joining new yarn. This simply replaces the chains that you would normally use to build up to that stitch. We're just going to replace it with the stitch itself. It's very easy to do and just gives a neater finish to your piece. As a quick side note, this is primarily used when you're joining a new color or skein. If you wanted to use it while working with one color continuously, you'd physically have to cut that skein and start over for each round or row. So it does have its limitations. So in this video, I'm going to share how to do the single crochet, the half double, the double, and the treble. I've added chapters and timestamps so you can skip to the stitch that you primarily want to see. So let's go ahead and get started. For all of these stitches, we'll be starting with the slip knot on our hook. So I like to wrap my yarn around my finger, hold it with my thumb and forefinger, insert hook into the center, pull the yarn through, and tighten. For a single crochet, place a slip knot on your hook, insert into the stitch you want to begin in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, single crochet. If you don't like the little knot on the side from your slip knot, you can always do this without a slip knot. Just hold your tail in your dominant hand, yarn over. This is replacing the slip knot, and then repeat the process. Just go into the stitch where you want to begin, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Don't release the tail yet. Go ahead and do the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now you can. It should stay in place for you. And that eliminates that little knot on the side. And then just continue on all the way around. For the half double crochet, start with a slip knot on your hook, yarn over as if you were doing a half double, go into the stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three. To do the half double crochet without a slip knot, hold the tail of your yarn in your dominant hand, keep it tight, yarn over twice, insert into your stitch, yarn over, pull through. Okay, this is where it gets a little fiddly. Yarn over, and you want to pull under all three of these little loops here. And I just sort of hold it in place to get under it. And there's your half double crochet. Do not release your yarn yet. Go ahead and do another half double in the next stitch. And then you can release it if you want. I hold on to it just out of habit, but it's not necessary. For double crochet, put a slip knot on your hook, yarn over once, insert into your stitch. Keep a close eye that these stay close together. You want them to be as close as possible. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Then continue on with your next double crochet as you normally would. To create your double crochet standing stitch without the knot on the side, put your tail in your dominant hand, hold on tight, yarn over twice, insert into your stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Don't let go yet. Finish your next double crochet. as you normally would, and then you can release if you want. That will stay in place. I hold on just out of habit. For a standing treble, place a slip knot on your hook and yarn over twice. Insert into your stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you're ready to begin. Yarn over, pull through 2. I like to hold these with my thumb to keep them grouped together. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And then continue on as you normally would. To create a standing treble without the slip knot, place the tail in your dominant hand and hold on tight. Yarn over 3 times. Go into your stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now complete your treble as you normally would. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Let's tighten that up a little bit. Yarn over, pull through 2. Tricky. Keep holding on to that tail. That is the important key here. Do your treble in your next stitch as you normally would. And then you can release it. I hold on just out of habit and then continue on.